In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iMessage activation error on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch settings, scroll all the way down, navigate to the option apps. Now from the list of apps, find messages and launch it. Here you're going to find the option of iMessage. Make sure you have enabled for this option. In case it is already enabled, disable it, wait for a few minutes and then again enable it. Then click on the option tab Send and Receive and make sure to select an email address along with your phone number. Next up, hit back. Now, navigate to the option General. Click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device. For that, you can hit back. Then scroll all the way down, click on the option Shutdown. Next up, enable for the option Airplane Mode. For that, head back. Toggle on for the option Airplane Mode, wait for a few minutes and then toggle it off. Likewise, click on the option Cellular, disable and re-enable eSIM or SIM. Then, reset network settings. For that, navigate to the option General. Scroll down and click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on the option Reset. Now from the list of options, select Reset Network Settings and go through the process. Lastly, what you want to do is check your Apple ID Sign In. Go back to the main page of settings, tap on your name at the top of settings and confirm your email is displayed. You need to be signed in to send and receive iMessages. And that's it. These are some fixes for iMessage activation error on your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.